Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to style my hair into a ponytail using weaving hair weave. I'm going to use wefts to create a ponytail right here. I'm going to use these two products. I have Eco Gel and Marigold Gel Wax. I'm going to use these two to slick down my ponytail. As always, I'm going to start by spraying some water on my hair. The water helps soften the hair and also make it easy to detangle. I've not washed my hair. This product I used on the previous video, so that might make it even more softer. Then using my hands, I'm going to make sure that the water gets to the roots and that the hair is well moisturized. Once that is done, I'm going to use a comb and detangle my hair. It's now ready for styling. Look at that. So now what I'm doing, I'm pushing it backward because that's how I'm styling it. And still making sure that it is well detangled. Just going to use my hands, scoop some product, rub it, and then apply it. Okay, the previous product is still on my hair, so I want to be applying a lot of it this time. Using a gel comb, I distribute the product. I'll be laying the edges, so I'm going to leave some hair out. I'm going to use a thread to tie the rest of the hair into a bun. I'm going to use the gel wax to add shine to my hair and to lay the edges. For this one, you don't need a lot of product, you just need a small amount. Spread the wax using a brush as I slick the hair down. As you can see, it's coming along so well. So remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment. Let me know your thought concerning this video. And if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. So you can see how good that it looks. So now I'm going to work on the edges using the same product, the gel wax. And I'm going to use a smaller brush. This is my edge brush, and that's what I'm going to use for the edges. I'm loving the results. So I'm using the same hair I used in my last video, Aussie Weave by Angel. I'm going to use what I used in my last video and then add some more. I'm tying the hair around at the bottom of the bun. The same way I secured with a pin, I'm going to secure this end with a pin, the same way I did with the start. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, leave a comment, and if you have questions still, leave it in the section and I'll answer you.